guys, what are we going to do today? Well, today I'm just going to talk about one of the products I love to use, Sari silk. And if you don't know what Sari silk comes from the saris that women wear in India. And to make extra money, they take the old ones and they rip them into ribbons and sew them with a little tack stitch. So they can be made out of chiffon fabric or silk fabric. Most of the time I get the silk, but every once in a while they have a beautiful color in chiffon. So here are some of the bundles that we have. You can get it online, and I also sell it in my shop in 5-yard pieces. So see, these are some of the fun projects that we use Sari silk on. Some of them I've actually done tutorials on. This was a fun paper spring embellishment we had done with papers and sewn through it, and I added Sari silk for the frame and for the tie. I had done a little wristlet where we just used fabric and hand tacked Sari silk around it. We had done some fun little ornaments and just used it for hanging tags, and of course my paper bag tutorial. I just glue this around the top edge, just adds such a pretty dimension. And then I had also done some linen coasters, and I just tack stitched the Sari silk on there. And one of the other things we had done is I make these cute little buttons, and it's just so fun when I add just strands of Sari silk off of them, or do a necklace with different strands of Sari silk. Whatever you can think of, you can use it for. It's just fun to embellish, whether it's an envelope, paper, fabric, or just used for a hanging or around a frame. Just see what you can come up with, and thanks for watching.